First, we'll install the ribbon and the film. Open the front cover. Pull the orange ribbon cassette out. Inside the ribbon cassette is a picture that displays how the ribbon is fitted to the cassette. Take the supply side and place it on the orange spool. Place the opposite end on the black spool. Wind up the tension. You have successfully installed the ribbon. Take the film cassette. Note the picture inside the film cassette displaying how the film is fitted to the cassette. Take the supply side and place it on the green spool. Place the opposite end on the black spool. Close the cover. Lift the card cover and insert the cards. Lock it closed. Attach the card receiver. Power on and enjoy using your SwiftPro printer.